Let me show you something. This is a normal iPhone video. Why does my expensive iPhone video look so cheap? And this is cinematic iPhone video. Same phone, different choice. Today I show you 5 beginner steps, and each step have a pro upgrade. And at the end, your studio will feel like a movie set. Hi, I'm Claude. I film with an iPhone and I love cinematic mode. And today's video is for beginner. I show you the beginner version first, then the pro version. We will cover first the framing and depth, 2 the light and shadow, 3 the movement, 4 the setting and focus control, 5 the sound and simple story. You don't need expensive gear. The only thing you need is a simple plan, an iPhone, and a little bit of creativity. Step 1 is the framing. Most beginners do 2 things. Everything is centered, and there is too much space on the top. That makes your video feel like an iPhone video. To look cinematic, we need to think. First, the rule of third. Imagine a line on your screen. Put your eyes on the top line, your body on one of the side line. Now it looks balanced. The second thing you can do is to add depth. Don't stand against the flat wall. Put space behind you or add something in front of the camera. So see this chair in the corner. The camera look through it. It creates depth. It adds mystery. We are not just watching a video. We are peeking into our world. A pro tip I have for you, use the 1x lens for face and step back a little. It will look more natural. Step 2, light is the most important part. But you don't need studio light, you just need shadow. Look at my face now, the light is flat and boring. Now the light comes from the side. One side is bright and the other one is dark. Shadow creates emotion. Now I have a pro upgrade for you. Control the exposure and embrace the dark. To do this, you tap on your face on the iPhone screen, hold it. You're gonna see a flock. After you slide the sun down and you see that image start to come darker. Don't be afraid of the dark. Dark is moody. Dark is cinematic. Another pro tip for you, if the light is harsh, soften it with a white curtain, a bed sheet, or bounce it on a wall. Step 3, the beginner move too fast or they shake the camera. Cinematic movement is slow, very slow. Here are 2 moves you can do in a small studio. Move number 1, the push in. Hold your elbow close to your body. Move forward toward your subject. And it makes your subject feel important. Number 2, the reveal. Lock the focus on your subject. Start behind an object. And move slowly. It will reveal your subject and it stays in focus. It feels like a discovery and it builds curiosity. A pro tip, if you have a gimbal, great. If not, elbow in, phone close to your chest, and move slowly to reveal your subject. Step number 4, setting and control. First, you go in your camera setting. You see camera, record video. It's set at 4K 24 frames per second. This will look more like a movie when you record your video. Go back again here. Now, as you can see, we have 24 frames per second, 4K. And now for the pro upgrade. But the most important trick you can have is to lock the focus. You tap on your screen and hold it. It's gonna lock the focus. If you want to adjust the light, you have a small sun here. You can push it up or down to adjust the light. Now the focus and exposure is locked. They won't change. This makes your video look professional instantly. I have a pro tip for you if your iPhone supports it. Try to shoot in log later, only after you master the light first. Step 5, sound and story. A pretty video is nice, but we need to feel something. Sound is 50% of your movie. Listen to your room. We just hear your room tone, maybe a clock ticking or the fan of your computer. That's your studio atmosphere to help you when you edit your video. Capture your own tone, the footstep, a cup that you place on the desk, typing on your computer. This makes the viewer feel they are here with you. And finally, a story can be simple. Use 3 shots. The first shot, the wide shot, it could be me working at my computer, showing all my studio. My second shot, the detail, I show a close-up of my finger typing. It could be writing or adjusting gear. My third shot is thinking. When you record your video, you have a wide shot, a detail, and a reaction. That's a scene, that's a story. So here is the formula. Frame with depth, use shadow, lock focus and exposure, move slowly, and tell a simple 3-shot story. You have a studio right here or in your living room. Use what you have. Try these 5 steps this week and tell me in the comment which one you film. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!